to see this. This is the best thing on of the trip of the Philippines.
I'm going to peel it.
It's so delicious. It's the tilapia. It's so good. Can you hear that? It's so crispy. It's a rainy day. You've seen that on the first two clips of the video. So it was no big intention to go outside. But we needed to buy some things for the Palawan trip tomorrow. That's why we went to SM San Lazaro again to buy sunscreen, sunblock, tanning lotion. What else did we buy? Yeah, some stuff like that. And now we're getting ready for the Palawan trip. We're packing our stuff. Jess is first. She has to pack her stuff. She's waving. She doesn't want to be seen. Tomorrow we have to leave the house at 4 a.m. because our flight to Palawan, Puerto Princesa. No, how's it called?
Puerto Princesa.
Puerto Princesa. The flight to Puerto Princesa is at 7 a.m. So we have to leave the house at 4 a.m. to be at the airport on time. And we're very excited. The trip goes 5 days until November 7th. We have to, I guess after we landed, the flight only takes 1 hour, but after we will land in Puerto Princesa. We have a 6-hour drive with the van in front of us, or ahead of us. Yeah, but bonus clip, I'm showing you the room of my cousin. It has lots of
Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty stuff. It's original packed, so if someone wants to buy it, you can buy it. So what is the plan for Palawan, you may ask? So we have some tours we have been booking. We're going, for example, on the second day, we're going to take a look at the big lagoon, at the small lagoon, at Shimizu, a secret lagoon, and the 7 Commando Beach. So I would say the first trip is the lagoon trip. Lots of lagoons. So we're almost done packing. We have to leave in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. So we cannot go sleep, but we will. Hey uncle, what are you doing?
Praying.
Am I disturbing you?
I'm done.
Okay. Yeah, we're leaving for Palawan tomorrow, and it's at 4 a.m. we have to go with the
fun.
Uber.
Have a safe trip, okay?
Okay.
I can say because I just prayed.
Yeah. We're not saying that. I won't show that in the movie. I'll see you on Friday, uncle. Bye-bye.